chapter number 13, part 1 to part 4. Today we are going to start new chapter from your Maths NCERT book, chapter number 14, how big, how heavy, part 1. So let's begin. So students, before moving to chapter number 14, let us discuss what all we'll be studying in this chapter. So in this part, we will discuss about what is 2D and 3D shape. 3D shape are also known as solid shapes. Second, what is volume and what are the units for measuring volume, and finding volume of cube and cuboid using formulas. So now let us see what are solids. The objects having definite shape and size are called solids. The objects having definite shape and size are called solids. Solid objects occur in different shapes. You all are familiar with solids. I hope students you all remember chapter number 2, shapes and angles, where we discussed about 2D and 3D shapes. If you missed that part, you can click the I button. So solid shapes are cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere. So here we will be studying about cube and cuboid. So what is cuboid? A solid having all faces rectangular in shape is called cuboid. Example, matchbox, chalk box, almirah, book, etc. What is cube? A cuboid having length, breadth and height equal is called cube. And cube all faces are square in shape. Example, dice, sugar cube, ice cube, etc. So now let us see what is volume. Each of these solids occupies a certain amount of space is called volume. Example, if you have a balloon filled with air in one table and another balloon you have without air, so which balloon occupies more space? Balloon which has filled with air, that occupies more space. So that is the example of volume. What is volume? Each of these solid which occupies certain amount of space, कितनी space वो ले रहा है, that is known as volume. Another definition can be the measure of the amount of space occupied by a solid is called its volume. The measure of the amount of space occupied by a solid is called its volume. So now what are the units of volume? Volume of a solid is measured in cubic units. Volume of a solid is measured in cubic units. For very small containers, cubes of size 1 mm are used. For very small containers, cubes of size 1 mm are used. The measurement of volume is written as 1 cubic mm or 1 mm cube. We write at top cube. 3 is for cube. Next, for small containers, cubes of size 1 centimeter are used. For small containers, cubes of size 1 centimeter are used. The measurement of volume is written as 1 cubic centimeter or 1 centimeter cube. Then for large containers, cubes of size 1 meter are used. For large containers, cubes of size 1 meter are used. The measurement of volume is written as 1 cubic meter or 1 meter cube. So the units are, either we can write 1 mm cube for very small containers, then 1 centimeter cube for small containers and 1 meter cube for large containers. These are the units of volume. So now let us learn volume of cube and volume of cuboid. In general, volume of a solid is equal to area of the base into height. Volume of the solid is equal to area of the base into height. So now let us see what is volume of cuboid. So here let us represent the length as L, breadth as B and height as H. As we know, all faces are rectangular in shape in cuboid. So the volume of cuboid is equal to area into height. So students, what is the formula for area of rectangle? That is L into B. So L into B into H. This is the formula for volume of cuboid. So now let us see volume of cube. So a cube is a special case of the cuboid where all three sides are equal in measure. Cube where all the three sides are equal in measure. If we represent this value as A, so in the figure you can see we represented this value as A, means L, B and H. All the three sides are equal and we have denoted by A. Then the cube is said to have side A. Here side of cube will be A. So the formula will be volume of cube is equal to area into height. What is the formula of area of square? Side into side. And here side is A. A into A is the area of square into A, where all the three sides are equal. So the volume of cube is equal to A cube. 3 times A, it will be A cube. Again I am repeating the formula. Volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height, and volume of cube is equal to A cube. So let us do questions based on formulas. Question number 1. Find the volume of a cuboid whose dimensions are A part, length is 14 cm, breadth is 10 cm and height is given 3 cm. So what is the formula of volume of cuboid? L into B into H. So let us multiply here. So first write volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. L is 14 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter and height is 3 centimeter. 14 into 10, that is 140 centimeter square into 3 centimeter. So 140 into 3, 3 zeros are 0, 4 threes are 12, 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 420 centimeter cube. So volume of cuboid is equal to 420 centimeter cube. Now B part, length is equal to 11 centimeter, breadth is equal to 8 centimeter and height is equal to 6.5 centimeter. So let us find out. So right here, volume of cuboid, that is equal to L into B into H. L is how much? 11 centimeter into 8 centimeter into 6.5 centimeter. 11 is 88 centimeter square. 2 times I am taking here. Then 6.5 centimeter. So now let us multiply 88 into 65. 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40 plus 4, 44. 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48 plus 4, 52. 0, 2, 7, 5. And here decimal point will come. So answer is coming 572 centimeter cube. So volume of cuboid is equal to 572 centimeter cube. Question number 2. Find the volume of the cube whose side is given A part 4 centimeter. So what is the formula of volume of the cube? Side into side into side. So let us write the formula here. Volume of cube is equal to side into side into side. As all the sides are equal, so 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter. 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are 64 centimeter cube. So volume of cube is equal to 64 centimeter cube. Now B part, side is given 3 whole 1/2 meter. We have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So let us convert this. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7/2 meter. Side is 7/2 meter. So write the formula here. volume of cube is equal to side into side into side. So side is how much? 7 upon 2 meter into 7 upon 2 meter into 7 upon 2 meter. 7 sevens are 49, 49 sevens are 343. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8 meter cube. So now we will divide 343 by 8. So let us divide here. 343 by 8. 8 fours are 32. 23. 8 twos are 16. Subtract here. It will be 7, 0. 8 eights are 64. Remainder is 60. 8 sevens are 56. Then 40. 8 fives are 40. So answer is coming 42.875 meter cube. You simply have to multiply the numerators and denominators. Whatever answer comes after multiplying, you have to divide. So answer is coming 42.875 meter cube. Question number 3. The length and breadth of a cuboid are 6 cm and 4 cm respectively. If the volume of the cuboid is 96 cm cube, find the height of the cuboid. So students, here length and breadth of the cuboid is given 6 cm and 4 cm and volume of cuboid is given 96 cm cube. We have to find out height of the cuboid. So first let us write the formula. So do you remember this? Volume is equal to area of base into height. So area of base is L into B into H. So L into B, that is area, is given. So here we will divide volume upon height. Volume will be divided by height. So let us see how. First write here volume of the cuboid. Formula is area into height. So area is how much? L into B into H. And here volume is given 96 centimeter cube. Then length is given 6 centimeter into 4 centimeter into height. 6 fours are 24 centimeter square into height. And this volume will remain as it is. So now you will divide. It will go here. So it will be divide 96 centimeter cube divided by 24 centimeter square, that is height. So centimeter square and 1 centimeter cancel. So 24 fours are. Height is equal to 4 centimeter. Height of the cuboid is how much? 4 centimeter. Again I am repeating, you have to write down the formula. Volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. Then write the volume to the left hand side and here L into B into H. Multiply these two numbers, then it will go to the left side and it will be divide. So 96 divided by 24, it is 4 centimeter. Now D part, find the volume of the cube whose side is 1.2 meter. So first let us write the formula. So the formula is volume of the cube is equal to side into side into side. So we will multiply here 1.2 meter into 1.2 meter into 1.2 meter. So first multiply here 1.2 into 1.2. Ignore the decimal points. 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2, 1 ones are 1. So answer is coming 1.44. So write here 1.44 meter square into 1.2 meter. So multiply 1.44 into 1.2. Ignore the decimal points. We'll put decimal points at last. So 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 1 4s are 4. 1 4s are 4. 1 1s are 1. 8, 12, 7, 1. 1, 2, 3. So answer is coming 1, 7, 2, 8. 1, 7, 2, 8. So 1, 2, 3. Count from here. 1, 2, 3. Decimal point will come here. Meter cube. So here volume of cube is equal to 1.728 meter cube. Question number 5. How many ice cubes of edge 2 centimeter can fit into an ice tray of measure 2 centimeter into 4 centimeter into 9 centimeter? So students, first we will find out volume of the ice tray. So let us write here volume of the ice tray. So we know the formula L into B into H. It is given 2 into 4 into 9. So let us write here 2 into 4 into 9. So multiply here 2 4s are 8, 8 9s are 72 centimeter cube. And here side of an ice cube is given. So let us write here side of an ice cube is equal to how much it is given? 2 centimeter. So now find out volume of an ice cube. So volume will be A cube. So multiply 2 into 2 into 2. 3 times side we have multiplied will be 8 centimeter cube. Now we have to find out number of ice cubes. So right here number of ice cubes is equal to number of the ice tray upon number of an ice cubes. So it will be 72 centimeter cube divided by 8 centimeter cube. Centimeter cube cancel. 72 divided by 8, it is 9. So at last you will write 9 ice cubes can fit in the ice tray. Students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all have understood Gauri ma'am's class. So chapter number 14, part 1 volume topic we have completed. Practice all these questions at home. I'll continue in our next class. Do like, share and subscribe our channel. Take care. Bye-bye.